welcome back to my channel and another episode of Shundara Creates. But hold up, wait a minute, let me put some boom in it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Ohana. I would love to have you a part of our Ohana. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. So make sure you're following me on them. If you would like to be a part of our Shout Out Wednesdays on Instagram, which will be starting pretty soon, make sure you're following me on Instagram. Also, you guys, if you would like to get to know me, your host, Shundara, better, make sure you subscribe to my vlog channel. So in this episode of Shundara Creates, we are turning slime into real food. Our real food into slime. Anyways, we just gonna make slime food, okay? So that's what we about to do. So I'm gonna teach you how to make my favorite foods that I've been loving into slime. So let's go. So now I'm going to make my favorite food, which is egg. So I like runny egg yolk, you guys. Or sunny side up eggs are bomb diggity. So side note, if you've never tried sunny side up eggs, make sure you try them. They are so delicious. So initially I'm just adding yellow pigment. You can use food coloring, anything you like. I'm just adding yellow pigment because many of you know I have an obsession with pigments. So now I'm just flattening it out and I'm adding my runny egg yolk, which is really sticky. Sticky slime makes me cringe so much. I can't stand sticky slime. But this is so fun. Side note, if you've never had runny egg yolk, you should try it with some toast, some avocado, and black pepper like I'm doing now, adding my pretend black pepper. You can use glitter if you want. I just use poppy seeds, so that's what I'm using. But runny egg yolk is so good. Like, look at me pretending to cut the slime into egg. Like, literally, you guys. And then I'm going to pick it up with a spoon. Thumbs up this video if you eat soft-boiled eggs, any type of runny egg yolk with a spoon. Thumbs up this video. If you've never tried a runny egg yolk, dip it in some toast with some avocado. Oh my God, I'm getting hungry, y'all. But it's really delicious. So now I'm just playing with it. So the next one we're going to do, which is my favorite ice cream, which is mint chocolate chip. And I'm just adding cornstarch to make this more thicker, like a thicker slime, because right now it's really sticky and I want it to be thicker. And cornstarch, if you don't know, makes your slime really thick and fun to play with. Look at it, you guys. So now I'm gonna add more pigment. You guys know I love my pigments. I'm gonna leave a link down below where I get all my pigments from, just in case you guys want to try the pigments. And they're really cheap. They're like 20 bucks. So that's really cheap. And then you just want to mix it in until all the green is combined. Now I'm adding more poppy seeds, but you can add glitter like I said in the beginning. And look at, now we're going to mix in those poppy seeds. And poppy seeds work good because it doesn't melt. And this is going to swirl so beautifully, you guys. I'm telling you. Who loves mint chocolate chip ice cream? Ben & Jerry's has a really good mint chocolate chip ice cream that is so bomb. And look at me using a spoon again. Oh my God, that looks so good, doesn't it, you guys? Look at it. Oh God. Side note, this is grocery store ice cream. You know how it melts. This is not Baskin Robbins or Cold Stones. Thumbs up this video if you love Cold Stones. I love Cold Stones. Ben & Jerry's has a cookie mint chocolate chip ice cream too. Now for the next one, we're going to make my favorite cupcake, which is a chocolate cupcake. So I use real chocolate powder for this DIY, and I just mixed it into a basic slime. The basic slime solution that I use for this video is just glue and Stuff Flow, aka Starch Flow. Stuff Flow, Starch Flow acronym. If you don't know what an acronym is, go get a dictionary. So I'm adding sprinkles to it, and these are actually real sprinkles, and I sprinkled it with dust because, you know, I think I'm a baker and an artist, so I had to do it. Y'all. Now I'm taking it out, and I'm going to play with it, and these didn't melt into the cupcake. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you would like to see my next favorite food of all time, stay tuned for the end of the video. after I play so much with this bomb slime and add so many sprinkles. Look at it, you guys. Look at those bubbles. That is a genuine slime. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So thanks so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for the end so you can see my other favorite food that I'm going to make for you guys. Bye, you guys. So the last one, which is one of my favorite drinks at Starbucks, is their matcha green tea. However, look at the color of my slime, y'all. What did I do? Like, I tried to make it green, but it wouldn't turn green. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in a Starbucks cup. And then we're going to pray for a miracle. So here we go. Y'all see this now. Oh my God, it all fit. Wait, is that too much? Does that look like too much? This looks like a razzle dazzle drink, not the green tea matcha, which is my favorite. Side note. Oh my God, look at this. So, okay, so the next part we do, wait, I need to cut some of this off. Like, we literally have to cut some of this off. Like, it's so stringy, it looks like spaghetti. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So now we're gonna add shaving cream. Oh crap. Did you see what happened? So now we're gonna shake up the shaving cream. Shake up the shaving cream. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. And then I think this is what they do at Starbucks. I don't know. And then they put the top over it. Oh my God, I made it. Look at it. Anyways, you guys, this is my favorite Starbucks. Well, actually, Josh loves this one too. It like gives you energy. So if you've never tried this one, make sure you try it. I really hope you enjoyed this episode of Shundara Creates. If you would like to see another episode, you know what? If you would like to see another episode of Shundara Creates, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you